are here researching robots that use 4 wheels with only 2 motors. Can you tell me anything about that?
Yes, this robot design in front of us has 3 gears on each side that connects the 2 wheels together, which allows you to use 2 motors for 4 total wheels.
Interesting. How does it work?
So these 3 gears, when you spin one, they all spin, which means we can use 1 axle and 1 wheel to connect 2 wheels together.
Interesting. How do you generate enough power to rotate all 4 wheels?
These 2 motors are built with extra torque, which gives them enough power to control 4 total wheels.
Interesting. Associates? Should we buy? Alright. We will take it.
Fantastic.
Nice doing business with you.
Nice doing business with you too.
Alright. We'll be on our way.
Pleasure doing business with you, gentlemen.
Hello, fellow Tesla AC viewers. I have been working on this for the robot, and I just wanted to show you. The plan is to put him in here, and then have a thing that pops up here, so that when you'll hear we can suck up a ball, and like a rotator will bring it up here, and it'll feed it into the goal. And I just wanted to let you guys know we use the turning point. We used the turning point little paddles that were used as the flags, and we drilled holes and attached them together. So we're using old parts, and I just did that little number. And yeah, just a quick update. Hope you guys like the skits. Let us know if you want to keep. Let us know if you want us to keep doing the skits, because we really enjoy it, and I feel like it just adds a little bit more comedy to our robotics channel. Peace.